Hey, I've been thinking about buying a new house.
Really, that's a big step.
Yeah, I feel it's time for a change.
What kind of house are you looking for?
Something not too big, but comfortable.
City center or suburbs?
I prefer the suburbs, quieter and more space.
Makes sense. What's your budget?
I've saved up, so I have some flexibility.
Have you talked to a realtor yet?
Not yet. I'm still in the early stages.
I know a good realtor if you need a recommendation.
That would be great. Thanks.
What about your current place?
I'll sell it or maybe rent it out.
Renting could be a good income source.
Yeah, I'm considering that option.
What features are you looking for in the new house?
A nice kitchen, a garden, and a quiet neighborhood.
Sounds lovely. How many bedrooms?
Least 3 for guests and an office.
That's practical. What about schools or parks nearby?
Good point. I'll need to check that too.
Don't forget about the commute to work.
Right. I don't want a long drive.
Buying a house can be exciting but stressful.
I know, but I think it's worth it.
Definitely, it's a big achievement.
I hope I find the perfect place.
You will. Just take your time.
Thanks for the support.
Anytime, let's go house hunting together.
That would be fun. Let's do it.
Great. Here's to finding your dream home.